In this video, I'm going to show you the process of obtaining a loan from Lloyds Bank, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's dive in. First of all, go on the home page of Lloyds Bank and start by selecting personal or business banking at the top. Then scroll down until you reach the Our Products section. Swipe left and click on Personal Loans and you'll be directed to the loans page. I recommend taking your time to go through review all the information provided on this page, as it will address most of your questions about loan management and Lloyds Bank loan offering for its customers. Additionally, you can explore other loans products such as personal loans, car loans, home improvement loans and debt consolidation. For further assistance, select the Help and Guide Us tab and address any concern you may have regarding your loans. Once you are satisfied, scroll back up and click the Log On to Get a Quote button at the top. Enter your login credential to access the loan page. Then, simply follow the procedure and you will be all set. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.